Alright, so James was able to buy his dream car, and let's show you guys. Let's check it out. Let's just put it in sport then, because at least it's going to sound a little prettier.
All right.
Where are we going?
400.
Well, wherever you want to go, bro. As long as you know speed bumps sideways.
Actually, I want to go north.
Oh, you want to go north? So you have to go to Rutherford.
So I go left from here, right?
Yep. Driving the Lambo.
Oh man. You can literally hear the motor behind your head.
Yeah,
It is behind your head.
that it is.
Figuring it out.
That's what you need to figure out.
Instant torque.
Yeah.
Just like the Tesla. That's fast. I like 4,000, which is nothing.
It's nothing.
The power is at 6,500.
When I go and race Lamborghini, it's like you're hitting like 85.
Ooh, nice little
Red lining.
bounces. Oh, 80, yeah.
Yeah, easily. Yeah, you'll feel a pull, or push, I should say.
It sounds so good. Just so mechanical.
Yeah. And you know, I'm sorry I didn't clean the car or anything. I mean, look at me. This is a daily for me. This car is a everyday daily. So I treat it like any car. I don't have it sitting in my garage with temperature control, put a cover on it.
Yeah.
I go out in storms.
Really?
Yeah, why not? I'm gonna do a construction site with mud. I'm not trying to, it's not that, you know, people are like, oh, have more respect for the car. If it was a, yeah, even if it was a car that was worth $100, I'd still treat it the same. I don't treat vehicles different. You know what I'm saying? Regardless if I have a $300,000 car or a $100 car, I treat it exactly the same.
I don't know, would you mind saying how much was this out the door?
Yes, I included the wrap in it from from Showtime Spa. Yeah, go straight, make a left. Is that with everything, it came out to like I think $307,000.
Taxes in.
Yeah, Canadian.
Which is like,
you know, in the U.S. My God, I would have bought the Bugatti already. If you know about the stars, right? And that, you know, in the constellations there is a Taurus, and inside the Taurus is the Pleiades. The Pleiades is the symbol. Wait for it.
yeah.
Subaru. And I also have a Subaru.
No.
There it is. There's a Subaru right there.
Yeah.
See the stars? They're called the Seven Sisters, but you'll only see six stars, and you'll only see one big star because the other 7 stars is hiding behind it. But it's all in the constellations. So. There you go. Nice.
Not saying.
60.
Oh boy.
just like my WRX. People are so surprised when they get in this car how smooth it is, and that's why I get to drive it like a daily. You know, people love Porsche because they're like, oh, I can drive it as a daily and take it to the track. I don't see any difference with this at all. This just looks cool.
Very, very planted, man. Super planted.
Yes, absolutely. You're saying the same thing everybody
And
else
this
says.
You're taking my Lamborghini virginity right now.
Nice.
Or supercar virginity,
Alright.
let's put it that way.
I brought rubber gloves.
Oh man. No Vaseline.
Nice.
But this is awesome. This is exactly what I thought I'd want. And the power delivery is just, that's just sweet. We're doing Mach 20, 7th gear at 3,000, which says the gear ratio is high. That helps you to accelerate fast.
And we're even in Corsa. Yeah, we're just in sport.
Well, that won't change the gear ratio, but it will hold the gear more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love being schooled. I don't mind being schooled by you because you know so much shit. Nice. You're gonna hear that bell every time you go over 150.
And we didn't do 150.
No,
absolutely
that was
not.
my phone going off.
Yeah, that is not true.
You know, I don't think that we have to help somebody every day. Helping ourselves sometimes, giving ourselves that time, the peace, to be still, to be quiet, spend time by ourselves. There's nothing wrong with that. Dude, I got everything in this car. This is all for my friends. My Reggae Man friends.
Recommend.
Yes. Reggae Man
man.
friends. This car's got everything. Reach down below your seat there. Pull out some. Put it on. Holy man, this car is, you know, the hugger shit. After, no. Oh no, you got it. Like I said, this car has everything. We even got costumes.
I love this hat. The Bugs Bunny. What's up, Doc?
I got this for my reggae buddy when he comes driving with me. I figured we could, you know, be the brothers from another mother and enjoy the ride.
Is it a single clutch or a dual clutch?
Double. Dual clutch.
The thing with the dual clutch system is, if you want to drive it nice, you feel the change.
Yep.
When you beat the crap out of it, you don't feel it.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. The harder you're on this car, the better it is. 3, 2, 1, go! Mommy, look at the reggae guy. The guy in the captain's hat. So did you think you were gonna drive a Lambo today wearing a captain's hat sitting next to a white boy wearing dreads with Elvis glasses?
The last part, no. No. What else is there?
That's it. Oh.
This is nice.
I'm telling you.
So nice.
People gotta buy more Lamborghinis. It's my phone again.
We gotta fix your phone. It has this beeping sound. Yeah.
Overall, the only thing that I have to give a little critique is that the $1,000 cup holder does not hold my medium-sized coffee.
You paid $1,000 to have a cup holder.
I know, but I have to buy the small. That's the only thing. Otherwise, the car's great.
I think Rutherford is next.
No. Mitch McKenzie's next. And then Rutherford. It's my phone.
Instant. Bomb Clark.
Yeah.
I'm liking this turn signal.
Yeah, dude. My hands are always here, to be honest with you, because I always do Corsa, right? So you gotta get in the right lane.
But the blind spot is massive. Yeah, there's no
nothing. It's just boom.
because they all pre-selects and you're in.
You're off. That's the best part.
Don't mess with an OPP.
Oh, hell no.
Take notes.
Nice and slow.
Alright fellas, towards the end of our video. Check out James' channel, Free Hugs Lambo, card up there, a link in the bottom.
And follow me. Follow me, because we're going to get the wrap done, and we're going to go out and we're going to share hugs. You guys come with me, and we're going to just design everything together as a collective to give more hugs, more love out there, more advice, how I get this exact numbers of what I pay and everything, because I got this car for free. And I don't know if your people know that or not.
No.
This car is for free for me, and I'm going to show you how everybody can get into their own car. And I ain't selling you anything. I'm not selling you no master class. I ain't selling you nothing. These are just simple tools that I'm happy to give away for free. So 100%.
Hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and subscribe to his channel. And there's a lot more shenanigans coming in. Trust me, guys.
Yeah. Oh, damn, what a cool car. What do you think?
Ah, it looks
Oh,
awesome.
yeah.
What's the red one? What does the red button do?